Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here on a beautiful Friday night at the new Mexican restaurant in Surfside Beach.
The Chimichanga Llama, right here in the heart of the restaurant district. Let's go take a look, see what it's all about. Brand new. The Chimichanga Llama Cantina. We've been waiting on this place to open all year long. From its wooden warehouse looking conception to its final Southwestern theme completion. This stretch of Ocean Boulevard in Surfside Beach has a lot going on. And the newest thing for 2022 so far is the Chimichanga Llama Cantina. Complete with its very own outside bar in the breezeway. They specialize in daiquiris and margaritas, but with 2 full bars, you can get much more. This section of Surfside is becoming known as the Dining District, featuring many locally owned restaurants right by the ocean, and pier that should be completed by next March. And now Surfside Beach can add a Southwestern themed restaurant to its list of eating establishments. Chimichanga Llama sits next to the Gracious Pig, which opened last year. In fact, the paver-laid walkway is the only thing that separates the two. We'll put a link to that video below in the comment section. If you're looking for some great tasting Southwestern dishes, they have everything from salads and tacos to quesadillas and of course chimichangas, without the llama. Parking seems to be the only thing left to tackle around the dining district. There is lots of parking in the rear, but it seems to fill up fast.
Alright, so you better get here early because they have limited parking and it's a beautiful night to sit outside and dine. Let's take a drink.
Speaking of filling up, check out the queso dip. And these loaded nachos. Chimichanga Llama doesn't roll off the tongue, but the food and the atmosphere definitely make up for the difference.
Chimichanga Llama.
So the next time you're in Surfside Beach at South Carolina, make sure to stop by at Chimichanga Llama. What is it called?
So if you're looking for something different with an Ocean Boulevard view, come check out the Chimichanga Llama in Surfside Beach, so you can keep beaching.
What's it called?
Chimichanga
Llama. Alright, is it wrong?
It's on.
So the next time you're in Surfside, make sure you check out Chimichanga Llama. Llama. Okay. So the next time you're in Surfside, make sure you check out Chimichanga. What? So the next time you're in Surfside, make sure you check out Chimichanga Llama.